David and Solomon. Once upon a time, the sheep cattle of a man entered another man's vineyard. The sheep ate up all the grape bunches in that garden. The vineyard owner then went to David to judge about his case. At the same time, David was inspired by God to gather all his children together and ask them to give their ideas about the problem. He could appoint the one who best solves the problem as his successor. Thus David did so and asked them for their opinion regarding the vineyard owner's case. Except for Solomon, no one could find a solution to this problem. Solomon said, "He shall be given the sheep cattle to use its milk, wool, and lambs in the course of restoring his vineyard, and when his vines bear grapes again, he shall return the cattle back to the owner." His judgment was approved by God, and thus he was appointed as David's successor.